Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're here in Colorado on a very cold day. Over at a friend's house, we're going to check out some really cool stuff he's got in his collection. Check it out. Look at these. 91 combine. See if I can get a shot of this swather. Supposedly this is the very first international hydrostatic swather.
I'll tell you how bad it went. I dressed like that right now. I poured water on it. And
375 hydrostat swather. So cool.
Kevin has a car. I tractor on the Wayne Show. Jerry Smith.
TD-5.
You know what those are for?
What's that?
Driving across the country.
Oh.
Platform out there.
It is beautiful. So much plumbing out here sticking way out. It's awesome.
I have to say I'm fairly impressed with the amount of precision it took to park all of these in both of these blocks.
That tractor's got brand new steering clutches, steering brakes, every bearing in it, and the yokes and for the
So this is a whole.
steering clutch releases and all that. We had the engine and
So BD 144.
independent power takeoff, 3-point hitch, and torque amplifier. And the TA is good in that tractor.
3-point hitch, PTO, torque amplifier, and this is a wide track, so that's like a foot wider on each side.
They made it 3 widths. This tractor come out of Glacier National Park. Had a brand new
Like the Forest or the Park Service?
Park Service.
Wow.
Out of Glacier National Park up there in Montana. That 240, of course, belongs to State Highway Department.
And you said this is a BD 144 engine?
BD 144.
Yeah.
And of course, I had to buy an injection pump for it. And everything in the back end of it is replaced. Steering clutches, throw-out bearings.
That's awesome. You could still get it. Did you have to get it
You know
through
what?
General Gear?
It was really amazing.